Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Art of Cooking, where we whip up delicious recipes right in your kitchen. Today we are diving into the world of almond milk. I'm talking about the homemade version that leaks ahead of those store-bought cartons, gathering dust in your fridge and are loaded with added sugar, emulsifiers and seed oils which should not be consumed at all. Well, imagine sipping on something that's fresher, creamier and packed with real nutty goodness without all the hidden junk that commercial brands seek in. Your body will thank you, your wallet will high-five you, and trust me, once you try it, you will never look back. Store-bought almond milk often tastes watered down because it's typically made with just 2 to 5% almonds plus a bunch of fillers to make it last longer. Homemade, on the other hand, is just pure almonds and water, meaning more minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants straight from the source. Plus, it is naturally low in carbs and calories. Also, let's talk about saving and sustainability. Making your own is cheaper over time. A bag of almonds goes further than buying cartons weekly. Less packaging means less waste, which is a win for the planet. Oh, and it stays fresh in the fridge for around a week. But trust me, it will be gone before then because it tastes that good. Almond milk origins dates back in medieval times from the 8th to 12th centuries. In medieval Europe, it became a staple during Lenten fasting periods when dairy was off limits under Catholic rules. Fast forward today and it's a global superstar, but its history shows how resourceful our ancestors were with nuts and water. So, let's make it now. All you need is 1 cup of raw soaked almonds overnight, as it makes it more creamier and removes phytic acid for better digestion. All you have to do is rinse the soaked almonds. You need 4 cups of cold filter water. You can add a pinch of salt, vanilla extract or dates for some sweetness and blend with ice cold water for 1 or 2 minutes. Now after the almond milk has been blended for 2 minutes, all you have to do is strain through a fine cheesecloth. As you can see, it's so much creamier. Look how creamy and delicious does it look. So there you have it, homemade almond milk that's fresher, creamier and packed with real nutty goodness without all the hidden junk that commercial brands seek in. Use the leftover almond skin for baking or add in your smoothies. So there you have it, homemade almond milk. It's empowering you to take control of what goes into your body. Do let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to use it. Hit like if you have learned something new and do subscribe the channel for more easy recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.